it's Jen with DP Addiction Adventures, and I know you guys have been along for the ride with me on this beautiful Halloween project from Treasure Studios Art. Absolutely gorgeous. At first I was a bit hesitant. It wasn't quite my style of image, but I just began to fall in love with the product and with the colors and sparkling it up a bit. Thank you so much, Tina, over at DP with Sparklers. And we're going to do a post review on this beautiful painting. What I like about Treasure Studios is right here, they put your thumbnail and then they say what it is, which this was Working for Halloween by Danelle Futselaar. It's a 60 by 55. You've got your key on the left, you've got your key on the bottom right, and you know, this is absolutely gorgeous. I would recommend, I am an affiliate. If you want to go check out your own TSA paintings, you can get 15% off right now using DPGen15. And if you buy before December 31st, you are in the running for a $50 gift card. So if you're going to purchase already and you want an incentive to buy from my code and get 15% off, then you'll automatically, if you use the code or my link below, be in the running for a $50 gift card before December 31st, 2020. All right. So what do we have here? The first thing is about the glue. The glue is really great with Treasure Studios Art. They do a mounting glue. It's not a double-sided adhesive and it is not a poured glue. So what is it? I don't know how to describe it other than a very, very hardcore way to put two things together that are weather resistant and color fading resistant. And it's just a new product. It's what they use on cars. It's what they use for outdoor items. If you want something to stick, it's going to stick. And I had no problems whatsoever with the glue. I would recommend not sticking your arm in the glue because then your skin cells get attached and then the glue's not so sticky. Then you have to go to my tips and tricks, which is in my book, and use a baby wipe to get those skin cells off. All right, I digress. I understand. Gross, gross. Okay. So the drills themselves are smaller. I chose round than your normal drills. Let me see if I can find my extras over here. Where are you? I hid my extras. I have a whole bunch of them. And because my craft area is a mess, they are there. Anyway, I had a ton of extras. I may have taken a picture and put it in here. If I did take a picture, which I think I did, I'll insert it in here to show you the extras I have. If not, forget I even said that. Wipe it from your memory. I just love, look at that sparkle. Those are not ABs. That is normal sparkle, okay? And then I did add some ABs here in the candle and some sparklers in the flame because I just wanted a little extra bling. Over here I did the same thing in the moon for some extra bling, and in the light, his little light right here. And as you can see, I am moving this and shaking it. The drills are fine. If I were to store this, I'm going to want to store it drill side out. If you do it drill side in, you will damage the way the drills are laid and you may have some pop off. All right, so we first started with the glue. What is next on our log sheet? We have symbol clarity. The symbols were great. I didn't have any problems whatsoever with the symbols. The only thing that I had to pay attention to is that there was an arrow to the left, an arrow to the right, and an arrow up. And so if I was working on this upside down or my drill container was upside down, I had to make sure I went by DMC and just really compare them. It's a little tip to make sure you're doing okay. Drill quality and quantity. Okay, so first off, I did not run out. I will say the black, there was significant trash in it. I know Rachel is working on it, but there was plenty of drills for me to work with. The trash was just hard for me because when you want to use a multi-placer, the trash can get in the way. And so I had to switch over to single placing several times when using 310. It's a small issue. There was very little 310 comparatively. Rachel did a great job on morphing in 939, 823. What's the other color I'm thinking of? 3371, just kind of those dark colors. She did a great job. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the greens that she chose, how it goes with the pumpkin. Really great. I'm gonna give it four stars for the drills just because of the trash. So far we have 5, 5, and 4. Design success, beautiful design, instant 5 all the way. The details, how she got the gnomes, how she did the oranges into yellows, the reds, just everything absolutely gorgeous. And then did I have a lot of fun? Not only did I have fun because I worked with Rebecca over at Crafting Journey, but I also just really enjoyed the experience of knowing I was not going to run out of drills, knowing I could have fun with some sparklers and switching this up. What I loved is I could go with the actual image itself, how it came, or I could customize it. Now, because the drills are smaller, if you do sparkleize it, that's a new word I just made up. You want to do sparklers for squares off of Tina's site because you're going to want the smaller round version to go with anything that's Treasure Studios art that is round or square. So I hope you like this post review. Please check out, there's so many Christmas ones. There's love ones for Valentine's Day coming up. I personally am working, once Rachel gets her customs back up and going, on a surprise logo for you guys to be able to look at if you want, or even me just to have as a custom. And just check them out. And don't forget to use DPGen15 before December 31st, 2020 if you want to be entered in for the $50 gift card. And I am sponsoring that. And thank you so much. So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.